Hiya there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2015 SKODA Octavia Scout 2 litre TDI automatic 4-wheel drive. Finishes really nice light grey metallic. Great spec on this vehicle, including really nice alloy wheels, rear parking sensors there. Onto the inside of the boot, rubber protector mat, official SKODA Octavia one, fitted by the previous owner. Just done over 72,000 miles, 72,335. So all the seats inside, partial leather and alcantara suede material. Aircon in the back, dual climate control. They have volume and the Bluetooth, touchscreen display. You've got your automatic gear stick. You can see you've got the silver side view mirrors. Really is a lovely car to drive, nice and quick. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now, bye.